You ever look at your bank account like a week after you get paid and just wonder, where did it all go? It's such a common, frustrating feeling, right? But what if I told you that one simple, almost boring habit could totally change your entire financial future? Well, that's exactly what we're going to break down right now. And this right here is the absolute heart of the problem. Payday tells you this really convincing lie. It makes you feel rich just for a little while, and that feeling gives you permission to spend on all the things you think you deserve. But it's a trap, and it's the reason so many of us end up in the exact same spot month after month after month. So let's get into it. Let's break down exactly how this trap works. Because it's a cycle that feels so personal, like it's your fault. But it's not. It's actually a predictable system that's pretty much designed to make your money disappear.
You know that moment, right? You check your balance, you see that new deposit. And for a few glorious hours, you can finally breathe. The pressure's off, the possibilities feel endless. This feeling, this is the first step in the trap.
And then, bam, reality hits. First, the big stuff comes out, your rent, groceries, fuel. But then the little leaks start. That food delivery you're just too tired to say no to, those new shoes you saw on sale, and all those tiny small spends that, somehow add up to a huge chunk of your income. Before you even know it, that rich feeling is completely gone. Now, this is really important, so listen up. If this whole cycle sounds familiar, you didn't fail, okay? Your willpower isn't the problem here. The system of saving what's left is what failed you. It's a system that's pretty much guaranteed to leave you with nothing. So how do you break the cycle? Well, you need a new system. You need a secret weapon. And it's a really powerful idea called the Eat the Frog rule. We're borrowing it from the world of productivity, but we're applying it directly to your money. So what's your financial frog? It's saving. It's the most important thing you need to do, but it gives you zero instant gratification, so we always put it off. The rule is dead simple. You do it first. The second your salary hits your account, you pay your future self before you pay anyone else. Look, this isn't about becoming some stock market genius or finding a get-rich-quick scheme. Not at all. It's about building one powerful, non-negotiable habit. It's that simple act of paying yourself first, every single time, that becomes your most powerful tool for building real wealth. And this just lays it out perfectly, doesn't it? The old way is totally reactive. You spend first, pay your bills, and just kind of hope there's something left to save. It's completely unreliable. The new way, the Eat the Frog way, is proactive. You save a set amount first, and then you adjust your life to fit what's left. It's automatic, and you know what? It always works. Okay, so how do you actually do this? Let's break it down into a practical system you can literally set up today. This isn't theory, okay? This is a simple and seriously effective set of actions. Here it is. Step 1, automate it. Set up an automatic transfer for, say, 10 or 20% of your salary to a separate account for the day you get paid. Step 2, you do not negotiate. Treat this transfer like it's your rent or any other mandatory bill. It is not extra money. And step 3, live on the rest. Yeah, it might feel a little tight at first, but you'll be shocked at how quickly you adapt. I absolutely love this way of thinking about it. That savings transfer, it's not just extra money you're putting aside. It's a bill. It is the rent you owe to your future self for the financial security and freedom you want them to have. Non-negotiable. All right, now for the fun part. Let's talk about the reward, because doing this one boring thing consistently unlocks some truly incredible results down the line. This is the whole reason you eat the frog in the first place. Let's use a real-world example here. Let's say you automate saving just 10,000 rupees every single month. Seems manageable, right? So what does that one simple action actually turn into over time? Over 10 years, if you invest that money and get just average market returns, that simple habit grows to over 20 lakh rupees. And that's without a single raise or bonus. It's just the quiet, relentless power of consistency. Same income, different habit, and a vastly different outcome. But here's the real secret. It's not even just about the money. Every single month, you pay yourself first. Your financial stress goes down, your confidence goes up. You start to see options you never had before. You shift from this mindset of just surviving paycheck to paycheck to actually, finally, building a future. You see, real wealth isn't built on luck or some kind of social media hype. It's built with one boring decision, repeated over and over and over again. And the most important time to make that decision, it's right now. And hey, if saving 10 or 20% sounds way too intimidating right now, don't let that stop you. Start with just 5%. Seriously, the amount doesn't matter nearly as much as building the habit. Go automate that 5% today. You can always increase it later. The key is just to start. Go eat the frog. So I'll just leave you with this one question to think about. What's the real challenge for you? Is it the actual act of putting the money aside on payday, or is it controlling all those little spending decisions that come after? Because figuring that out, that's the first step to fixing the right problem.